Is it possible that the smallest actions, the ones we think are insignificant, are actually the ones pushing our partners away? Today, we're peeling back the layers on 11 behaviors that destroy relationships to uncover not just what these behaviors are, but why they have such a profound impact on our closest bonds. From the words we say to the emotions we choose to share or hide, every choice has the potential to either build or break our connections. If you're ready to transform your understanding and approach to relationships, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's embark on this journey of discovery and healing together. Number 11. Excess criticism. Criticism, when excessive and negative, can chip away at a partner's self-esteem and the overall positive atmosphere within a relationship. While feedback is necessary for growth, constant criticism creates a defensive environment where one or both partners feel undervalued and misunderstood. The key lies in fostering a culture of appreciation and constructive feedback, where concerns are addressed with kindness and a genuine desire for mutual improvement. Celebrating each other's strengths and achievements builds a supportive atmosphere that encourages personal and relational growth. Striking this delicate balance ensures that both partners feel secure, valued, and inspired to evolve, both individually and as a couple, reinforcing the relationship's foundation with positivity and mutual respect. Number 10. Betrayal. Betrayal strikes at the heart of trust, the cornerstone of any strong relationship. Whether it manifests as infidelity, dishonesty, or unkept promises, the damage it causes can feel insurmountable. Healing from such a deep wound takes time, a willingness to be transparent, and a commitment from both partners to painstakingly rebuild trust. This process involves more than just apologies. It requires a genuine effort to address the root causes of the betrayal and a mutual dedication to healing together. The journey through betrayal to recovery is challenging and demands patience and resilience. However, when both partners are committed to the hard work of forgiveness and rebuilding, it's possible to emerge from the ordeal with a relationship that's stronger, more aware, and more resilient than before. Number 9. Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy creates a rift in the foundation of trust and respect that relationships are built upon. When one partner holds the other to a higher standard than they hold themselves, or when they present a facade that doesn't reflect their true selves, it erodes the authenticity essential for a deep connection. True intimacy is built on being genuine and accepting each other, flaws included. Overcoming hypocrisy requires a commitment to self-reflection, transparency, and an ongoing effort to treat your partner with the fairness and understanding you desire. This means acknowledging your own imperfections and working towards a relationship where both partners can be their true selves, supported by a bedrock of honesty and mutual respect. Number 8. Being unforgiving. The inability to forgive is like a chain that holds a relationship back, preventing it from moving forward. When partners hold on to past mistakes, it creates a toxic environment filled with bitterness and resentment, effectively blocking the path to true reconciliation and healing. Forgiveness is crucial, not because it erases the past, but because it liberates the relationship from the weight of previous wrongs. It's about understanding that to err is human, and growth comes from our ability to recognize this, accept it, and decide together that the relationship is worth more than the sum of its flaws. By choosing forgiveness, couples open the door to rebuilding trust and deepening their connection, turning conflicts into powerful moments of collective growth. It's a deliberate choice to value the future over the past, allowing love and understanding to flourish. Number 7. Having negative and unresolved conflicts. Conflict is inevitable in relationships, but how it's handled can either strengthen or weaken the bond between partners. Negative conflict resolution, such as avoiding issues, reacting impulsively with anger, or refusing to acknowledge the other's perspective, can lead to a buildup of resentment and distance. Conversely, constructive conflict resolution that involves active listening, empathy, and finding common ground can enhance understanding and intimacy. It's important to approach conflicts as opportunities for growth, working together to find solutions that respect both partners' needs and perspectives. Number 6. Having emotional baggage. Emotional baggage from past relationships can heavily influence how we react and interact in current relationships. This baggage can manifest as trust issues, insecurities, or unresolved anger and hurt, leading to patterns of behavior that push partners away. Acknowledging and working through this baggage is crucial for the health of any relationship. This might mean seeking therapy, having open discussions with your partner, or taking time for self-reflection and healing. Number 5. Not having or respecting boundaries. Boundaries in a relationship are essential for maintaining individuality, respect, and personal well-being. They can range from needing personal space to how each partner engages with others, to expectations around communication. When boundaries are not established or respected, it can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed or trapped. Healthy relationships require an understanding that both partners need to maintain their own identities and have their personal needs met. Establishing clear boundaries and respecting them is a sign of mutual respect and love. Number 4. Destroying sacred icons. Each individual brings into a relationship a set of personal beliefs, traditions, and items of sentimental value, often referred to as sacred icons. These can range from family heirlooms, cherished memories, to deeply held beliefs. When one partner dismisses or devalues these sacred icons, it's not just the items or beliefs that are being rejected, but the person's identity and history. Respecting these icons means acknowledging your partner's past, their emotions, and the experiences that have shaped who they are. It's about embracing the diversity that each partner brings to the relationship and finding ways to honor those differences. Number 3. Individualism. While independence is a valuable trait, excessive individualism can erode the sense of partnership in a relationship. Viewing earnings or personal achievements as solely one's own, rather than part of the shared fabric of the relationship, can lead to division. This mindset doesn't just apply to finances, but extends to how decisions are made, how free time is spent, and how life goals are prioritized. A relationship thrives on unity and the understanding that, while each partner is an individual, their actions and decisions are part of a larger, shared journey. Number 2. Not being vulnerable with each other. Vulnerability is the cornerstone of deep, meaningful connections, yet many couples struggle to move beyond superficial levels of communication. The 5 levels of communication range from basic niceties to sharing intimate knowledge and self-identity. Unfortunately, many relationships stall at sharing ideas and opinions, never truly delving into feelings, values, or deepest fears and desires. This reluctance to be vulnerable stems from fear of judgment, rejection, or exposing our most authentic selves. However, it's in this space of vulnerability that true intimacy flourishes. Encouraging each other to share openly and receiving those shares with empathy and without judgment strengthens the bond between partners. Number 1. Poor communication habits. Communication is the lifeline of any relationship, yet poor habits in this area are among the most common reasons relationships falter. Emotional labor, or the effort to manage and suppress one's true feelings to keep peace or make a partner happy, can be exhausting. It's not just about choosing the right words, it's about the honesty and openness behind those words. When individuals feel they must mask their true emotions, resentment and disconnection inevitably follow. Effective communication means creating a safe space where both partners can express their feelings without fear of judgment or dismissal. It's about listening with the intent to understand, not to reply. When couples prioritize this level of understanding, they lay a foundation for trust, intimacy, and lasting connection. Recognizing and addressing these behaviors is a crucial step toward fostering healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed, and always communicate openly and honestly with your partner. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.